so much for tuning in today to this channel. I hope you are all fine. For those who watched my videos on mango series, thank you so much. I hope you are still making use of mangoes. The season is almost coming to an end, and now we have to go back to other recipes. So for that reason, if you're new in this channel, please make sure you view my videos. If you like them, give them a like, share, and subscribe. And also remember to switch on your notification bell so that whenever I'm posting a new video, you will be able to receive my videos. So my people, today we are not on series or mango recipe. Today I'm bringing for you a recipe which is unique. It's unique, but it's very healthy for us, especially for those who are still growing, for bones, those who have got, those who are anemic, and all that. So kindly watch this video until the end. So guys, this is my cow leg. It's a very very delicious recipe. This is 1 kg of cow leg. Guys, this recipe is very good and very healthy. So the ingredients I'm going to use here, I have paprika, I have bay leaves here, I have turmeric, I have cumin, and some salt to taste. I'm going to use ginger, garlic, and red onions. So all these ingredients I'm going to use in boiling this. We're going to boil this for 2 hours. And if you're using a pressure cooker, I think 45 minutes will be done. Because guys, it's just too hard and it needs very well. And then I'm using running water just to ensure that everything is fine. I have my onions and some coriander, and then I have my spices. Then I'm going to add in water. So stay tuned. Guys, not much water to this way because we are going to boil it, and I'm going to use charcoal people for 2 hours. So let's meet after 2 hours, guys. So guys, let's boil this for 2 hours. So guys, this is the station of my cow legs. So when you're boiling it, make sure you put all spices just the way I did. And now I'm going to fry it. So stay tuned. Remember guys, when I was boiling, I put onions. So I'm not going to put so much. Garlic. So I will cover to let my onions cook. My tomatoes are done, and at this time I'm going to add my tomato paste. Slow. Then spices. So guys, just look at this. So guys, this is my cow leg. It's a very delicious recipe. Kindly try it out. After adding in everything now, I'm going to give it a little bit of time, like 10-15 minutes, so that all the spices are getting mixed. Wow, guys, look at my curly. Looking so delicious. My cow leg is a very delicious recipe. Kindly try it out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye. So guys, this is it. This is how my cow legs. It's so appetizing, so tasty, guys, so nice. So kindly try it out. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.